Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see how to fix Acer laptop Ethernet port not working. Having trouble with your Acer laptop's Ethernet port, let's go through some troubleshooting steps to help identify and possibly fix the issue. Check the Ethernet connection. Cable check. Make sure the Ethernet cable is firmly connected to both your laptop and the router. You might want to try a different cable to see if the original one is faulty. Router port. Try connecting the cable to a different port on your router to rule out any issues with the port itself. Examine the Ethernet port on the laptop. Physical damage. Look for any visible damage or a debris in the port. A loose or damaged port can lead to connectivity problems. If the port seems loose or the connection is inconsistent, it could indicate a hardware issues. In that case, using a USB to Ethernet adapter might be a good alternative solution. Check network adapter settings. Device manager, press Windows plus X and select device manager. Expand the network adapter section. Look for your Ethernet adapter, example Realtek PCIe GB family controller. Enable adapter. If the adapter is disabled indicated by a down arrow, right click and select enable. Update driver. Right click the adapter, choose update driver and select search automatically for updated driver software. Reinstall driver. If updating doesn't help, right click the adapter, select uninstall device, restart your laptop and let Windows reinstall the driver automatically. Adjust power management settings. Prevent power saving. In Device Manager, right click your Ethernet adapter and select Properties. Navigate to the Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK to apply the changes. Disable Green Ethernet feature. Modify adapter settings. In the Ethernet adapter's properties, go to the Advanced tab, select Green Ethernet or Energy Efficient Ethernet. Select the value to disable, click OK to save the changes. Here is the note: disabling this feature has resolved connectivity issues for some users. Test in safe mode with networking. Boot into safe mode. Restart your laptop. As it starts up, press F8 or Shift plus F8 to access the advanced boot options. Choose safe mode with networking. Test connection. If the Ethernet connection works in safe mode, it could indicate that a third party application or a driver is causing the problem. You might want to perform a clean boot to pinpoint the issue. Update BIOS and chipset drivers. Visit Acer's support site, download and install the latest BIOS and chipset drivers specific to your laptop model. Updating these can help resolve any hardware compatibility issues. Consider hardware repair or replacement, professional assessment. If none of the previous steps fix the problem, there might be a hardware defect with the Ethernet port. Reach out to Acer support or a certified technician for a thorough diagnosis. Alternate solution. As a temporary or a permanent workaround, you can use a USB to Ethernet adapter to bypass the faulty port. These adapters are readily available and user friendly. By carefully following these steps, you can determine if the issue is related to software or if it's a hardware failure. If problem continue, it's advisable to seek professional help to avoid potential damage to your system.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.